Hi, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to explore the benefits of doing 50 push-ups a day. Push-ups are a simple yet effective exercise that can help you build strength, increase endurance, and improve your overall fitness level. So whether you're a fitness enthusiast or just starting out on your health journey, this video is for you. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the world of push-ups. Push-ups are one of the simplest and most effective exercises for building upper body strength. But how many push-ups should you do every day to see results? If you're just starting out, it's best to start with a lower number of push-ups and gradually increase over time. Doing 50 push-ups a day is a good goal to aim for. Push-ups are a compound exercise, which means they work multiple muscle groups at the same time. By doing 50 push-ups a day, you will be working your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core muscles, all of which will become stronger over time. Secondly, your endurance will improve. By doing 50 push-ups every day, you'll be training your muscles to work harder for longer periods of time. This can help improve your endurance for other exercises like running. Lastly, you may see some aesthetic improvements. With improved strength and endurance, you may also notice your muscles become more defined and toned. However, it's important to remember that doing 50 push-ups a day is not a magic solution to all your fitness goals. A well-rounded exercise routine, a healthy diet, and getting enough rest are all important factors in achieving your fitness goals. So, while doing 50 push-ups a day can be a great way to improve your upper body strength, make sure to take a holistic approach to your fitness journey. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it informative and helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload new content. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. And as always, stay healthy and keep pushing yourself to reach your goals.